Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Ghost 2 on a 2020 Range Rover Sport. So our thief's done a relay attack on this key here, or they broke into your house, stolen this physical key, hopped in, tried to start the vehicle up. As you can see, doesn't start, it just switches straight back off. So we'll try again. Goes on, straight back off, engine doesn't start. So what the customer has to do is keep their foot off the brake, tap the ignition on, go through a code that they've set. For now, we've left it as 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get a double flash from the indicators. And now foot on the brake and hold the start button down. The vehicle's going to fire up. So if the thief done a standard relay attack, key clone on this, went to start it, as you see, it's not going to start without the code. If the customer wanted to take this for a service, they can press the cancel button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 flashes. That totally disables the Ghost for 30 miles an hour or 15 minutes. So the customer can take it back to Range Rover and they can move it around and do what they need to do. If it exceeds one of those two parameters, 30 miles an hour, for 15 minutes, then it will jump out and they'll need the code to restart it. So like now, it's in service mode. We'll start it up. As long as it doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour, 15 minutes or more, it's going to stay in service mode and be a normal vehicle. When you get it back, you're going to want to turn it back on. So just ignition on, do your normal code, get your 2 flashes, and the system's back on again. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Autowatch Ghost 2 on a 2020 Range Rover Sport. Thanks for watching.